How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and when you open settings guys, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will search for Facebook, and when you found the Facebook, just open it like this and go little down and go to storage, and on storage just go to clear data like this and click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.